Want to take your photos to the next level? Well, today we're going to be learning how to pose men with a few expert tips and tricks. Hi, today we're going to be covering some top 3 tips and poses for men on how to be more confident and look more stylish in your photos. Pose number 1, the power pose. Have your legs shoulder width apart and push your shoulders back and have your arms folded. And by doing these little subtle things, it can convey a strength and confidence to the image. Pose number 2, the casual lean. You want to stand with one foot in front of the other or crossed over and lean up against a flat surface like a wall or a tree. And this look can convey an approachable and relaxed look. And you can also, with the same type of pose, you can cross your arms and this can add to have a more powerful look to the image. The third and final go-to pose is the seated pose. Sit on a park bench with your hands rested in your lap or rested on the armrests, or they can be bending over the back of the bench. And also you can have your legs spread shoulder width apart, and these photos are really good for formal images or business looking images. And there you have it, the top 3 poses for men. So next time you're getting your photo taken or you're doing a photo shoot of a male, use these poses and see how they work for you. And also, if you want to know how to get more clients in your business or your photography business, watch this video here.